Hello my friends, welcome back to Mini Kit Monday. This is my wrap-up video, my Kill a Kit, which is So Not Killed, It's Not Even Funny, and layout chair for March 2020. And there are process videos for these 4 layouts. So there is that, so you can just go ahead and either go in my playlist or look at my channel or whatever, but they are there. So this is the one I did with the Case of the Blahs collection for the most part. You know, it's not the full collection. So that was my first one I did with my youngest daughter after having her wisdom teeth removed. Secondly, I have a little Valentine's Day layout, and there are a lot of collections going on here. This is Felicity Jane. This, I believe, is Fashionista, I think. And then some of the fun little crepe paper Valentine's collections and all that kind of stuff. So lots of old school stash used up there. Next, I have this one, which is definitely going into a different, oh, let me do it in the right order. Layout 3. So this has pattern with pattern with pattern with pattern, which I think is absolutely great, using my current favorite Obsession punch down here for a couple little ticket pieces. I've got some pink fresh pieces, crate paper, random piece from who knows where that was. I backed a little wood veneer here and added some puffies. And was this, dear Lizzie? Can't remember. This great little leafy bit here was a goodie that I received from a retreat I went to. So we have that one. And then my 4th layout is this sunny Miami layout with oranges and my funny little flamingo guy and all of that kind of goodness. Slightly monochromatic, slightly. It's two-tone, but it's mostly navy and orange, and I love it ever so much. Now, you guys know I put together page kits for these 4 layouts, and quite frankly, I loved it, but I put massive ones together. So let me show you a couple things. I had put all of these washi in there. I just grabbed a big old handful of my pre-cut Mix-a-Mix colored washi, and I used a bunch, so that's fine. For this collection right here, these Simple Stories stickers, I added them in because I had the Valentine's Day page kit, and I barely touched them. Not even a thing. I used a bunch of my little puffy stickers here, so that was great. Look, I used none of these stickers here that I put in for my Valentine kit. Now this is like an absolute non-Kill a Kit video. I had put in 4 flare and I used 3, so that's pretty good. And I wish I would have used this, but I am hoping to use it soon. I have a bunch of Florida layouts and Caribbean and stuff like that layouts to do ever so soon. So those still have time to be used. I did not use these at all, and this one says Summer Adventures, so that wouldn't work, but I did like Lazy Days and Sunshine Rays, so hopefully I can get that in. So I should put like I know I have these layouts to do this week, so I'm gonna just kind of put those to the side. And then what's this? Okay, so once again, a couple more flare. Beach Fun I can use. My favorite season is Flip Flop. So Beach Fun I think I can use too. I'm going to put the beach stuff over there, like I said. Oh, a little bit more washi, because I know I have that to use yet. Now, I did include these really great wood veneer, and these are from Felicity Jane. And I also have this one that says Road Trip right there. I basically just left that one in because it was already in this bin. I have no road trip situation that I was scrapbooking, but I wouldn't mind leaving this on my desk to try to get some more traction with it. I have this little wood veneer bin that I've left on my desk for the last number of months, and it was full, and now it is lower. So maybe I'll do that for a little bit and see what happens. I'll put that over to the side right now. Now for Case of the Blahs, I did have 2 sets of the ephemera, and I used a bunch up. So I'll go ahead and put these back into a baggie. I like to have them in a nice open bin when I'm scrapbooking, And I'm going to put them back into a baggie with my Case of the Blas collection for now. And then, who knows, maybe we'll make another kit with just that collection and see what we can kill off in like a non-blah way. I don't like all blah layouts. So this is where things get ugly. Let me show you this. This is bad. All right, so this is for that Florida layout that I did where, you know, my daughter is doing yoga. I have all of these puffies left. I used a bunch. I used a few of these Pink Fresh. I did not touch these Pink Fresh wood veneer at all. I only used a camera from here, but I was glad I did use something. I used the Funny Pink Flamingo from this and one other piece, and that is it. Now, you guys know that, maybe not all of you. Some of you know I was thinking about doing page kits coming up once I'm done with my Nicole Jones class, based on like sticker sheets and random bits left over. That would be a good situation for that. One little layered sticker there. Did not touch these. Used a couple pieces from this, and this is, like I was saying, it would be a good situation to build a kit around this right here and get it used. Oh, just a little scrap. Used a couple pieces of these leatherette stickers. I didn't even touch these with this, and I think it's because it had kind of that cream background. I did get my title out of these. These are my scrap pieces, which I will go ahead and put these, since this kit here was part of my Nicole Jones 911 class that I am taking, I'm going to put these extra embellishments that I had just in this kit in with the leftovers for my Nicole Jones class so I can carry them forward. Now in this container, let's see, I have this rather full, oops, I didn't even know that was in there. These were a hand-me-down. So I have this rather full sheet here with all kinds of cut aparts, which is kind of fun. I've never seen this in my life, so it must have been in there. And I didn't touch the Citrus Twist Kids ephemera pack here. And then I have all of these like little bits and pieces because I did not know what I was going to be scrapbooking when I did go ahead and scrapbook the yoga layout. So all these little bits here are going to go back into my Paper Pad Series Nicole Jones class, this whole pile. So that has a place to go at least. Fab. And I can get rid of my baggie from that kit. Now, let's see. Here is another little container that I was using for one of my other layouts. I have this #1 piece here, and it's kind of like embossed. That would be cool to get used. So I have these great little pieces that I included. Now, these do not have to go back into my Nicole Jones class because I just pulled these for this this pattern paper kit, but I am loving these bits and pieces, and I think I could really get some traction with them. Like, these acrylic hearts. I mean, those should be able to go onto anything, right? Okay, so I have all of those. I used one title from this great goldenrod collection. It's absolutely beautiful. It needs more love. That's like a great starting point for a page kit as well. Let me show you what I have here. So this is the Case of the Blas that I brought in for the layout. I brought in all of my Case of the Blas product when I did that page kit, just to keep it together. I have one scrap that will go into my scrap bin. For my Valentine's kit, I knew I wasn't going to come close to using all of this, so I will go through this paper pad and see what must be for Valentine's and what I can use for whenever, which looks like most of it I can use for whenever, so that would just go with my regular paper pads. Let's see. Oh, cool. I have the little baggie that goes with the Case of the Blas stuff. So this is all of my other Valentine's specific stuff, and I will keep this together. So like these alphas, I don't really care to use for anything but Valentine's. Now that little bus can be used, and a lot of these hearts can be used. So I might put this into the general stuff. I used most of the stuff that just says Happy Valentine's Day, except for these. But those are things you could put tiny words over. So I think that's going into regular stuff. These are a bunch of glitter hearts. Now this is definitely Valentine's, Valentine's, Valentine's. So for now, yep, all that can go into the Valentine's stuff. Valentine's collection die cuts, conversation hearts, sticker sheet that is, yeah, super Valentine's-y, but you know what? Let's Hold Hands is doable. These great little labels here I could use. Not Happy Valentine's Day, but I wonder if I put this in general stuff, if I can use everything up but Valentine's. So I'm calling that a goal too. Let's see about this chipboard sheet. The pears I can use elsewhere. This I can. So yeah, I'm going to put this also into regular goodies and see if we can get traction with that. So I like doing it this way to see what's what. So then for like true Valentine's goodies, I only have to put this much back into that for now. And then lastly, from Case of the Blas, I didn't use this sheet here, which is perfectly fine. I can put that back with my open stock of pattern papers. And then these are just my scraps that I used this time along with my Mini Kit Monday kit. So, did not kill my kit at all. Didn't think I was going to kill my kit at all, but I hope you like what I did do. And I think I'm going to do page kits again going into next month. So I look forward to chatting with you guys all soon, and you guys have a great day. Oh, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, goodbye, friends.